Hey guys, welcome back to Javon 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Stranglehold for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and we are testing the RPCS3 emulator because why the heck not, right? We're curious to see how these games perform. We want to know the truth. And I decided Stranglehold will be a good game to test today. I got a bunch of emulation. I have been slacking on the emulator because there's a lot of PC games coming out, man. So just keep in mind, I will be doing more emulation going forward. Xenia and Yuzu as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Really, if you really enjoy seeing these emulated videos, it would really help out to subscribe to the channel, man. We're trying to be the biggest benchmark channel on YouTube. We got all the benchmarks for all the games on lower end hardware than what you would normally see on YouTube. Have you seen anyone testing an i7-4790 with RPCS3? It doesn't happen. Everyone's using some 10th gen CPU. But I get these games running, man.
We got a missing column, and only one lead. You stand in the swamp, the lead dies or disappears.
So the cutscenes play fine. I'm happy with this. Love the cutscenes. The FPS seems to go all over the place. I actually have it capped now to 60, but it doesn't even go to 60. It says 32, which is weird, but I feel like I'll need to keep that cap on for the rest of the night. It's weird that the FPS flies like that, it just goes, so I do recommend capping the FPS. Other than that, it seems to be fine though. The compiling of shaders is really nice because the game is playing fine without it freaking out. But hey, to be fair, this is the only time we're now into gameplay. Never played this game before, so that's going to be interesting to figure out how the game runs. I have the volume a bit too low. Let me just raise that up a little bit so I can actually get immersed slightly. Okay, that's too much. Alright, now let's see what happens. Yeah, for some reason it's on. The game is whoa, whoa. And this is what happens. See, the CPU can't keep up at certain points, so it's gonna do that. Once it compiles shaders and we do this again, it wouldn't do that, but we're gonna hope that it doesn't completely destroy the game. Oh, this looks like an area to fight people. I don't look great. I stood corrected? Nope, I was right. How did I stand corrected? No one's here. Okay, so it seems to have caught itself this time around. Because it handled it. What an interesting way of shooting around the place. Like I said, never played it before. Kind of like Wet, but Wet came out after. Very interesting. Oh snap, I can slide down here like it's nothing. They call me Tony Hawk, pro skater up in here, boy. That was a headshot. He dead. Damn, I really... Oh snap! Holy crap, this is like definitely like those movies. Yeah, I can see that. I don't need to take care of her. Everyone's dead. You want me to take cover when everyone's dead? Alright, so it seems to have caught itself. Because even now, it's running much better and it's not doing that it's not freaking out whenever it has to compile shaders. Which is all the time, by the way. But it's not freaking out, it is actually handling the game. Obviously, RPCS3 is a CPU bottleneck, so you need to be careful with the CPU. But it's running well. Even in heavy sections. Like I said, if we were to go back and do this again, this would run flawlessly. Love it when it compiles shaders and it only freezes it just a bit. But to be fair, there's no stutter. It just has a lot of glitches. It's not using 5 gigs of RAM as well. Not bad. This is playable on low-end hardware. Lower-end hardware than what these people be testing, bro. Obviously, the GPU is never really stressed. This is just kind of how it is. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you'd love to see a game specifically, leave a comment down below, and I will get to it eventually. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay while I mute myself.